Oh no! Oh no!
What's up, my people? It's OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, watch this video to the very end, you feel me, and share this video. It's very necessary for the growth of my channel. You get, share it, it's important. So don't play, let's go have some fun.
Anybody tap me on screen, let's go! Tap, if you don't have...
Hey, what's the problem now? Hey, just take a look at my boyfriend. From morning to night he's doing TikTok. I'm tired. Are you not even happy he's doing TikTok? Shebi is not cheating on you. Don't tell me that, babe. This is the man I want to get married to. How can you be doing TikTok from morning to night? How bad?
Lion!
What's going on here?
Ah! You don't know. That's like $1 million guy.
She's in our play.
That's like 2.5. Like 1 minute. My friend. Hey! You guys. Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. Stop. You need to stop. Lion, thank you. Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Ah, babe, aren't you tired? You're taking so much time. You're still doing this thing. Will you leave that thing? Come and join me. Let's sleep now. It's late.
Babe, it's not late now. It's just 4 a.m. I'll soon come and join you, Joe.
If somebody had told me it was going to be like this, I wouldn't have believed him.
Small road where Holy Spirit they show me now where I will take me money. Now you won't begin obstacle.
Chinedu, can you imagine? There is something about you.
Are you Baba? My girl with me. I like you senior boy room.
Go use my room now. My room now sharper. Yes, sir. Just clean now. Go clean the room. Senior boy start of mission. No problem.
Life is nothing without you. Nothing about you. Could this be love?
Condom.
Oh, that here.
Pluto, they go run you street though.
Babe, sit down. You have father your woman.
Mama dey on billing and she was simple.
Now you dey carry a babe, abi? Senior boy, give my laptop me go.
Ha! You gotta trust man. Adam.
Alpha baby.
Ojo Abo, your eyes will see what your mouth cannot talk.
So they collect a girl. They just collect a woman for your presence, just like that.
You really did follow.
Before, who not like the tattoo?
Yeah?
God help me that guy.
Don't sit down walking and then they walk on your day. Pluto, this my girl sweet oh. Let me escort her, my baby.
You see woman? Hey, woman are cupboard.
Boss, the girl sweet abi. Pluto, give her better transport oh.
But from today, they wash your back. Anyway, they go, they wash your back.
Not the only.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Indian people don't suffer for Nigerian sound. They don't really suffer for Nigerian. Obatrekking. This guy's tired.
Jesus! Hey! Jesus is Lord!
You don't perceive the smell, the aroma.
God help me that guy. God help me.
The food aroma don't wake her up.
Help me. God help me.
How you gonna enter inside toilet just eat bread?
Help me that guy.
Just because you know what made this guy see.
Help me. Help me.
Hello. I do so.
That guy don't get sense.
Oh, bro. Nice tattoo.
Oh, thanks, man.
How many do you have?
Oh, so I've got one here. And then, oh, I forgot to mention, I also have one here.
What the fuck? Get up to 1000% bonus on your winnings and get up to 300%.
So why can't hit an NPC based on saying PG now?
Now you can register with my promo code MariusGram all in caps and get 300%
Marius
bonus.
guy, you mad.
Find hyper bonus promo and click take part on the offer page.
You mad. How you go box person because you get tattoo.
Now you get up to 1000% reward
on top in Nash.
Let's go. Let's go.
What happened? Why are you disturbing me? I told you now. You cannot outdo me. Look at me now. I'm too big for you now. See now.
If it is that one, forget about it. No matter how big a car is, na small jack go jack am.
Now why we they call him come? Now why he always he go turn up.
Feel free and be relaxed.
Madam, you do fast. I no get time. I work with time. No when I go start, I go say I shall to get pepper body. Meanwhile, money for hand, leg for ground.
How much did we bargain again?
At 25,000 till they break.
Don't worry, I will increase your money. No problem. I'll pay you $100 in gift cards. Ha!
$100.
See? Madam, I be ashawo. Now cash or transfer they collect. Nothing concern ashawo with gift card.
Don't worry, it's just for you to trade it and you get your money.
I don't know where to trade. You give my money before I open leg.
I heard you guys are arguing about gift card.
Don't mind this customer. Waiting concern ashawo with gift card. She pay me a gift card. I don't know where to trade her.
Very easy. Treat with Angel gift card. Their price are highest in Nigeria.
They're not locked down now. You want start
download Angel gift card app on Apple Store, Play Store. Their price.
Just enter your room just like that. Can you imagine?
I just traded with them. Check.
I don't see a lot. No problem. So fast. Madam, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Madam. Undo.
I want us to try something different. So let's spice things up.
The blood of Jesus. Mommy, slow.
You see this? I'm going to use it to blindfold your eyes.
How, Chim?
This is handcuffs for your hands.
Rono.
I'm going to use this to close your mouth because I don't want you to scream too much.
She gonna plug you.
Then you see this?
Oh boy.
I'm going to use it to whip you. Ha! You're going to enjoy it.
Madam, I don't understand you. You want beat me? I be for Kukuma tell me say you want put me for court. Show me all these ones.
It's going to spice up the whole thing. You enjoy it, trust me.
Madam, I know they do.
What if I increase your money to $200?
Ha!
Madam, wipe me.
Trust me, you're going to like it.
You don't put clothes now.
Madam, I don't complete.
No, we've started it. We have to complete this.
Complete waiting. I don't do. I don't do.
Guys, we see what your mouth cannot stop.
You don't disappear.
This man.
Now you win this time. You don't collect money. You know do you just pay him. So he actually won this time around.
My baby.
Is it fine?
Yes, so you fine.
Yeah, I like it.
You like him?
Yes.
Baby. Baby.
Yes.
See this car.
Okay.
Is it fine?
It's fine.
Me, I like it too.
What are you now showing me?
Why am I not showing you? Why you show me your own? Come on, leave me. Show me, ask me.
Madam, stay away from me.
Rufous like crazy guy. She don't smoke. Like you don't smoke.
Oh no! Oh no!
This guy look at this. I'm P5.
You dey whine? Go and ask your grandfather.
Hey! Go like that for another place.
What be this? What be this?
That's P5 you want. Who go buy me P5? Someone should buy me P5.
Oh my!
Laptop. If they born you well, touch the P5.
I don't dare, my friend.
If they born you well, touch the P5. You go hear that.
Listen to me.
See, this year, as rent don't expire like this, we know they renew our rent until landlord fence this compound, and that's fine now.
In solidarity, we shall stand. You know, go walk. Imagine my white polo, who I washed dry yesterday. They don't differ.
Eh? The new one?
Yes. Even that my new native one, so I want we go our neighbor wedding. They don't differ.
You know, say because of this compound no get fence. Now make my Jessica they tell me say she never passed my backyard before. Make she perceive food order.
Now, it's not even cheating, please. If you just cheat now, your baby just come by, don't catch you. We know they pay until in fence and that's fine. And everybody togetherness.
Yes.
So we no go pay a bit.
Nobody.
We must work in solidarity for this one.
You go fence the compound.
And so more no pay.
Yes.
I dey come.
Solidarity.
I was saying they like with us now.
Hello. Landlord. Yeah, landlord, if you know what's good for you, better they call your compound nah. This tenant where they compound, the place they no go pay you this year. I mean, I'm better they come.
We stand together, nothing will happen at all. We'll stand our ground, not since.
I like this decision we'll make today. More no pay.
Yes, and that's fine now.
Oh! No problem. So now here we una gather. Eh? Now here una gather.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon and the morning? Eh? So una dey here they gossip me say una no go pay my rent. Eh? Bible does say the way they gather now so they go scatter. That's what it mean. Una dey argue say una no go pay my rent. Rent what? We build house for me? No. Wetin good for una now say if una no pay me my rent now, una dey go sell now. Officer, see their faces.
Don't do. I no plan to end this year with problem. I beg. My pay. Even if I no plan now. Country hard. I save your account numbers beneficiary or landlord. The access, Abi.
Yes.
I don't send them. I had caution fee. I beg. I no want problem. You don't see them.
Yeah. General, sir.
Yes.
You. Where your own money?
Okay, landlord. Me, I don't need your problem this year. I beg. Call your account number. Make I send you your money. I beg.
1404-095-490. Access Bank.
I don't send them.
You! Yeah! Where your own money?
Landlord, if you give me like 2 more months, I gather the money.
Nduka, the last 2 more months what I give you, it expired yesterday evening, 6 p.m. So I can give you another 2. Nduka, you are going to say. Officer, hold up!
Landlord, you forget to finish our plans, let me tell you. No problem, your body go tell you inside the prison. Tell them to go. What purpose inform my
Let's spoil their plans.
You hold your phone.
I hold my phone now, anything.
Call my mama.
But if let's call landlord now, say I call your mama. What's I want to tell her?
Call my mama. Call my mama.
Sorry,
Call my mama for me.
look your eyes. Shining like bright in the
Okay, stop
baby
it.
girl,
Stop,
I don't
stop.
mind.
Don't open yet, too.
When you down, you can call on me. I'll be at your door.
Don't open yet. Babe, will you marry me?
Say yes, baby, say yes. Say yes, baby.
What's the problem?
I told you that my parents want me to marry a half caste.
Why are you doing like this at this point? I told you I'm an half caste. My mom is Russia. My dad is Nigeria. I'm not just caste finished. That why? Why are you like this?
Your hair, your skin, you're not half caste.
Babe, I told you my siblings are like my mom. I look like my dad.
Every time you keep telling me your siblings. Where are your siblings?
Your sister is here. What be this? What?
Our wife.
Babe, meet my sister, Atikaro White. Yes. Have you seen her? Do you believe me now?
Yes, I believe you.
Okay, so babe, will you marry me?
Come, make I see you, I beg.
But time don dey go now, eh? I dey happy for your friend as a man at a tender age, but I know una swap make her dey go now.
Say na eyes dey pay me and they waiting me this.
But now wow, your friend is smart, so because of $10 million, now I won't marry the girl. Anyway, now this tipping regime, everybody just get also down. We should pay my own money now on a family problem.
What?
Bumba!
Babe, what happened?
If you babe me, so you came to me because of my father's property.
I don't what are you saying?
You even did all of this just for you to scam me.
Scam you?
Oh my God.
Bumba, Paris me now. You want to wine my side also? Really make her they go now. I get other people don't book me for today now. Why they wine me?
No,
Give her a big slap.
Actually, scum. Fuck you. Stay away from me.
Hey, baby. Kumba, they crazy. You want to wine me? You won't leave me here. I be go walk you, Kumba.
Oh. Lala. What you love?
Pretty. It's good to finally meet you in person.
Same here.
Let's just talk, get to know each other very well.
And you look so handsome in person too.
You too, you're very pretty.
Thank you.
Let's just get something. Yeah, waiter! Please come. I need just bottled water.
Okay.
And for me, I need turkey.
Are you serious?
2 turkey.
It's not possible.
And a bottle of wine.
No one can guess so. They jump talking for talking stage.
I wonder.
You will take ordinary water and I know guesses and fool. If we jump talking finish, talk about the beer.
This guy, never to be caught on fresh. You get like crazy.
Oh no, but this is rubbish, yo. This is total nonsense. They should just not make me president, yo. If they make me president, do mistake, oh no, I will ban Monday. You will not see anything Monday again in this life. Money come back. Why is somebody using the Monday and do go? Somebody with tiraka, you will sweat, hustle, work till Friday. You will not say, okay, let me sleep. Let me take a little nap. Before you know it, you have wake up, it's already Monday. How? Where did the weekend go? They will change Monday. They will say money day. I'm not collecting money one day like this. This is my life. It's struggle. Somebody will still be struggling to go to work on that Monday. Even if you look at it, there's no reason why Monday should be bearing Monday. Yeah, because if you think about it, Sunday, sun, oru, day. Okay, where is Moon Day? That is Oshupa Day. Where is Oshupa Day? It's not supposed to be Sunday. Then after they will now do Moon Day so that somebody will sleep on the Oshupa Day. Is that not what it's supposed to be? It's not what they are supposed to. Okada. It's even private bike. Instead of them to ban Monday, they go and ban Okada. You see it now?
This guy looks
okay. Your body fine.
I never seen pepper soup like this.
Pepper soup? Man, no.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
It's sweet, oh.
Chema, you did dance?
What's going on?
I think they just discovered my piano.
Chema, you did theater, oh. Made a bag for my Chema, oh.
This pepper soup too sweet. She try. Now let food she sabi cook. Can you imagine? Now your baby that just as she. You're very ungrateful.
Not my baby, bro. My ex. Which S? The same S one.
Yes, now.
Dissolve!
Who be in relationship? That girl nearly finished me. She nearly killed me, but it no work. No be she lawyer can cook for me, so. Enjoy your food, D.
The fear of exes.
Ah, bros, swimming at ATK.
Jesus.
Your food is ready.
Our wife, you didn't bring food for me?
I didn't know you are coming. So this is the only food we have in this house.
No problem, eh? There's no be sharing.
Hey, baby, once you are done eating this food, you tell me who Jessica is.
Oh yeah.
My God.
Just come on your hand.
The blood.
I beg you. She's in a play. I beg you.
Surrender to Master Jesus. Come and surrender.
Fear of exes.
Come and
Fear
surrender
of
to
girlfriend.
No, the family too like
You dey act too.
Don't worry. I love you. Just enjoy this food, okay?
Small food one woman is not.
Voila.
Let me bring you water.
Alright, my love.
They don't use the guy in prayer.
Yeah, picking Jesus Christ.
They don't use the guy in prayer. The fear of girlfriends, exes. Now you make her just run come on. No, say they don't use him prayer. Voila. Anyway, thank you guys for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's say it in the comment section. And please, you can check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Very, very funny videos. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to my channel. And see you in my next video, guys. Peace and love.